Hi folks, this is Barbara, and I am going to be showing you these wonderful, beautiful bamboo cutting board set of 3, and it's the Kikcoin bamboo cutting board set, and it's one of those simple home upgrades that makes your kitchen feel instantly more peaceful and put together. You get 3 boards in 3 sizes, and I love that because it lets you keep prep feeling clean and organized. An extra large board for bigger jobs like meat, steak, or in my case, a lot of really great out-of-the-garden veggies. We'll be demonstrating that today here. This is one of the cabbages out of my garden, and we're going to chop it up and make some wonderful sauerkraut. I like to make homemade sauerkraut. What I really love too is the liquid doesn't run off onto the counters. It's got these really awesome juice grooves that catch it. And so it keeps your workspace staying cleaner and while you cook, and you're not stopping to wipe things down every 2 minutes. These boards also feel thick and sturdy. I just love them. They're so sturdy in your hands, and they have that smooth, finished look that feels like a little more elevated than your basic cutting board. They come pre-treated with mineral oil, and they include a stand. I love that, which is honestly, it's just so organized. It keeps the clutter off your workspace. It keeps the boards stored upright, helps them air dry properly after washing, and it looks neat on the counter. Very home sweet home, not cluttered and chaotic. Quick care note, because this matters, these are hand wash only, which is no big deal. You just warm a little soapy mop and just give it a good scrub, dry them right away, and oil them every so often when the bamboo starts to look a little dry. It's easy, and it keeps them looking beautiful for a long time. So if you want a cutting board set, it's a great gift idea too. But I got this for myself, and I just love it. It covers every cutting task, keeps juices contained, and stores neatly without fuss. This one is really a lovely, lovely pick. Less mess, less fuss, and that's my kind of kitchen piece, home sweet home. Consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.